everyone, good morning and welcome to Vlogmas week 4. It's the final week of Vlogmas. Oh my goodness. Today is the 20th of December. So this morning I already quite done a lot of things. I've edited this week's vlog, well, last week's basically, that's going on today. Now obviously today also my last YouTube Christmas giveaway is going out, so I prepared that, and in fact the final YouTube Christmas giveaway winner will be announced in this vlog. The YouTube Christmas giveaway number 3, who's winning the sock, is congratulations to the winner. Thank you so much to everyone who participated. Thank you so much to all of your amazing support. I love you all. I wish I can make you all winners, but I hope that this is a small way of saying thank you to everybody. So yeah, if you like this week's vlog, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, then press subscribe. This week is going to include Christmas, of course, so I'm really excited. It's only 5 days away. Let me show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this green top, which actually a friend of mine gave me, so I don't know exactly from where it is. This is a Primark jeans. I'm wearing these because I'm going to be wearing long boots, and I'm wearing this jacket, which is from Zaful. Love it. Oh, all of a sudden, my pinky feels really I don't know what happened. Anyways, I put on some makeup as well. Finally feel a bit fresh, but obviously now I have to cover it because we're going out. Basically today I wanted to go to the illuminated trail, which is a thing in Malta. But because of the weather, we decided of postponing it. And now I'm going to go to Luke's. I'm going to have lunch over there. So hungry. I'm sorry because all my vlogs mostly include food. Oh my goodness.
Food is my life.
And basically then we're also going to be baking some stuff. So I'm excited. So yeah, that's basically my Sunday, and tomorrow I go back to work, and tomorrow I also have an hour of my course as well. Got to get some stuff sorted. Anyways, I also got some new Christmas presents already yesterday, but I'll show everything in my what I got for Christmas video for sure, all together for sure. Anyways, I'm gonna go because I'm gonna be late, and I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you've all had a lovely Christmas, and I wish you all the best for the new year. I know that this year was not easy. It was difficult for all of us, but you know what? We got through it, we're getting through it, we're processing it. Life is a process. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go. I love you all. Bye. Take care and stay safe, guys. Stay safe. I'm so tired. Okay, so hi guys. So today is Vlogmas day 21. Oh my god, we're 4 days away from Christmas. I am at the McDonald's drive-thru because today on Luke's advent calendar he has a surprise, and the surprise that it's going to be is going to be a apple pie, and I'm also going to buy one for my dad because my dad has his birthday today. So that's basically it. We're going to move forward. Give me a sec. So yeah, basically I just finished work and I'm gonna get some apple pies. I think I'm gonna get one for myself as well because why not? So yeah, I think it was really good. We had Secret Santa of work as well, which went well. I received 4 eyeshadows from Kiko, which are adorable. I'll be right back because I have to order basically, so I'll show you in a minute. So I got these 4 eyeshadow palettes from Kiko, which are so cute. I absolutely love them. So yeah, basically I just got some apple pies, and those were the things I got from my Secret Santa of work. Very happy with them. So very, very cute. So yeah, basically today is the last day actually from Luke's advent calendar that I have a surprise for him, a food. But I actually really like doing this. Every single Monday I was getting him something from takeaway or something like that. This is something really small. It's not very big. Even the first time was chicken nuggets, and then last week was Starbucks. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go because my apple pies are coming. So good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 24. Basically it's Christmas Eve and I just got to work, and before going to work I said I need to talk to my beautiful souls. Well, whoever's watching this, I hope
like people watch this.
I don't know. So basically again I haven't talked to you much because my week is like, it flies by. But basically on Monday was a busy day. On Monday I had work, and then I went to give Luke his apple pie, and then I had a course, and then we had my dad's birthday, and basically Monday passed. Tuesday we had a Secret Santa with the girls, and I took a bit of a clip as well, and really enjoyed it. It was nice and lovely and gave a sense of normality, which is amazing. And Wednesday, yesterday, basically I had nothing after work. Basically I also want to take the time over here to say that I'm thinking of all the people in the UK. I've been seeing, you know, how things are obviously not good there, and my heart goes out to you. Here in Malta, I mean, we're supposed to be not, you know, we're supposed to have like a bubble, but we go out with masks every single place. The vaccine should be like arriving soon, so maybe there will be like an update with regards to that. But I cannot begin to imagine how it must be for English people who are living in like places where they have tier 4 basic lockdown basically during this Christmas time. I can only imagine how difficult it is, because this time of year is usually when you connect with everybody. But you know, create ways, create new ways in the ways that you can connect. There are ways thanks to technology. I know it's not the same, but find your own ways. Create new rituals for this year. Make it special in its own little way. So yeah, that's my little message, because I really wanted to come here and give a little bit of message, because I'm thinking of all of you. So yeah, I'm gonna go now because I'm gonna be late, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Hi everybody, welcome back home. Basically it's quite later, and I just had a shower, washed my hair. Now I'll do my hair all nice. I wore this outfit. Don't know yet about it though. Something's not right. Maybe a black top would look better, but we'll arrange it later on. Basically, I want to do a face mask, and I'm going to be using the Blemish Prone Skin pack, one of them. I'm actually going to try out the niacinamide. I actually have a whole pack of these. We'll see how they are. And these are with mulberry extract, and they're vegan and they're cruelty free. You can just leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes and rub in serum residue. So that is what
I'm gonna do.
But obviously, as you know, I don't really apply sheet mask properly, so I will be applying this off camera. So yeah, basically I just got ready, and I am going to go to the capital city of Malta, which is Valletta, and I'm just gonna go and see the lights because I haven't done that this year, and I'm just gonna go, and I'm gonna do a bit of an outfit OTD basically. I filmed this makeup look as my New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. You'll see this up next Wednesday, but basically this is what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing like a black top underneath, and this was from Primark, the black top, it's like a black plain top, and then this is from Pretty Little Things, and it's just like a vest sweater, which I absolutely like, and it's like all fur and all that stuff. And then this is also a skirt from Pretty Little Thing. The boots, which are from Pretty Little Thing as well, just bought these all. And then the coat is new as well, and it's also from Pretty Little Thing. And I have a mask over here, which is a silk mask. And I also have my Jade with Love hairband, which I think is cute. And I'm also wearing a set of earrings like that. Those I got them, I think. Oh God, I don't know where I got them. Probably from eBay, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna go and I'll take you guys with me. I'm also wearing my Daniel Wellington watch, which I never wear. So yeah, I'll take you guys with me. Christmas. Okay, she's going. That's fine. So basically today is Christmas Day and I'm on the floor because I'm about to curl my hair to make myself look pretty. I'm also going to put on some makeup. I'm going to keep it very light as well. And I just put on an outfit. I can show you what I'm wearing. If I feel like taking a photo, I'll go outside and take an outfit photo. But for now, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this cardigan, which I got from Pretty Little Thing. A polo neck, polo top, which is also from Pretty Little Thing. It's all black. This is a tennis skirt, my socks. Also have my Daniel Wellington watch. What happened there? Is that Nemo? Now I'm going to curl my hair. So I haven't talked to you for a while and I had to like really rush before, so that's why I didn't like talk to you guys properly. Just wish to say happy Christmas to all of you. I hope you are all having a lovely Christmas with your family, with your loved ones. I am aware that this Christmas might be a bit different than the rest, than the ones before. However, you know, we have to also appreciate what we have as well, and that, you know, we still can make connections. Yes, maybe it would be like mostly virtual if it's not with our household or whatnot, but we can be connecting in creative ways nonetheless. You know, I'm very like aware that this year has really taught me to appreciate what I have, and to really value and be grateful to everything that is here with me. So yeah, that is a little message from me, but a happy Christmas to you all, beautiful people. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you all. Obviously I still got dressed because, you know, it's very important. I also curled my hair. I think I really like my hair curled in this way. And oh my goodness guys, I haven't actually told you, I haven't even talked to you about it. Now I will show you. I have something really exciting, something new that's going to be for KezziesCorner, thanks to this beautiful, handsome guy right there. I mean, he can come a bit like closer there to this guy. He's wearing my Christmas sweater, but yes, he's the cutest. So yes, we wish you a Merry Christmas, right, Luke? Tell them wish you a Merry Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
That's all.
And a Happy New Year.
No! It's a Happy New Year. We'll tell them next week.
Happy Christmas.
Yes, Happy Christmas. So we're gonna go take some photos. I go now. Bye! Hi everybody and welcome to, well, I don't know if Vlogmas is still considered Vlogmas Day 26, but today is the 26th of December. It's Boxing Day. And basically what I've done is I stayed reading a little bit. I'm still reading this one, Chocolate Lover's Wedding by Carol Matthews, and I'm on chapter 50, so soon there guys, soon there, getting there. It's a good book. It's like a nice chill book, which is what I like personally. And then I filmed a video. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go see my nan, and then we will just order something to eat, and that is basically our Saturday. Yes, relaxed. Obviously I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. I know that obviously this week was like Christmas week, and like I see like lots of other videos and vlogs, you know, very Christmassy and all that stuff, but I mean this year I don't know, like Christmas came and I'm glad it came, and it had beautiful parts, but it also had hard parts as well, I feel. So yeah, I don't know. Anyways, I'll stop talking. We all are well. So yes, I'm just gonna go get some food now and go see my nana. And yeah, I hope you all had a lovely Christmas. From the bottom of my heart, I'll see you guys and talk to you guys probably in my next vlog.